Hi, this tutorial is about configuring ACL on the router's side here. First of all, I just configured this network. You have a class A on this side, of course, the serial also class A, and the other side is class A. Now, what do you do? Of course, you can configure the routing protocols, either static routing or dynamic routing. So in this case here, I used actually RIP. All right. So now, at this point of time, just to check whether the network is working or not, so I can just ping on the other side, which is 20.0.0.2, which is the server. All right, 2 is in fact FTP server. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set ACL access control list, which is to accept or deny packets at the router's level. So I'm going to deny this particular PC accessing the FTP server, right? So how to go about it? So you just have to click the routers, and then as usual, you go to config T, all right, and then now you need to learn how to make use of what you call access list, right? So the access list here, you can just type AC and just find access list and just put a question mark. Yeah, you have two types here. One is a standard access list, which you can use a number from 1 to 99, and the other one is IP extended access list. So now we're going to look at standard. We're not going to use the extended in this tutorial. So I'm going to use just 10. You can use any number between 1 to 99. So now, after that, just put a question mark and find out. See, here you can deny, permit, or remount. So I'm going to use deny. Deny, I can just, yeah, you can choose the IP address. So I'm going to deny this particular host, okay? So which is 10.0.0.1. All right. So yes, so that is the very simple ACL rule, right? So that entry we have just entered at the router's level. Now, of course, the rest we want to permit, to accessing the web and FTP server. So in that case, we need to still have another line, say access list, the same number 10, and then now you must permit. All right, permit we actually any. So that means any other host will be able to access the servers here. Now, with that, it is still not over yet. We need to, apply these values at the serial in router side. Now, how should we go about it? All right, so now you're going to call the serial port, which is always we will do interface. All right, serial 0/1/0. All right, and then how do we apply? You just have to type IP and AC to get the access group. Okay, just put a question mark, and you can see, of course, as usual, you need to have the same number, which is the 10, right? You have to be consistent. Earlier we used 10, and to apply that particular ACL, you also must use 10. And then just put a question mark. Of course, we are looking at outbound packets now, because I'm going to deny this host to connect to the server that side, right? So that means here we're going to use out. All right, so how to test whether it's actually applying or not? Now, okay, just close this. Go to this particular host. Go to command prompt. So try to ping 10 dot, not 10 dot, ping the server 10.20.0.0.1. See now, destination host unreachable. Destination host unreachable, right? So now try another one, 20. Yeah, we can't. But at the same time, if you were to try from this host, of course you should be able to, because just now we set the policy only for one host, right? You see, it works. So now this is a very basic setup of ACL. As I mentioned before, the purpose of ACL is to access or permit packets at the router's level, right? So in this example, we actually deny the complete host at the router's level. Okay, so this particular PC is unable to connect to this side of the network. All right, and it is stopped actually at this router's level. Okay, the next tutorial we are going to discuss on the extended ACL. So as far as standard ACL is concerned, this is uh, the best, I would say, in terms of simplicity. It will work pretty easy for you. Okay, try it out. See you later.